Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable notifications in Prime Video on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly, if you want to activate or enable the notifications from Prime Video, you just have to go to this settings option from your device, and after just scroll it down. At the bottom, we'll find out here the option which is apps options. Just go ahead and tap on it, and after in this page you just have to scroll it down until we found out the Prime Video applications. Just go ahead and tap on it, and we'll find out here the option which is notifications. You just have to tap on it like this, and you have to make sure that the toggle beside allow notification is already turned green like this, which is enable or activate. And the second way is to activate this notification for your Prime Video. Of course, you just have to go to your Prime Video applications, and after go to this My Stuff option at the bottom. Now go ahead to this gear icon, which is the settings, I guess. After here, you can see the notifications options here. Just tap on it, and yeah, here as you can see, for my notification is already on for the toggle, yeah guys. And you can also choose for the specific notification that you want to enable it here at the bottom, like for the following, for the downloads, and etc. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.